How to pay Fido bills through RBC app. So the first step is to simply open the app and tap on Move Money, then simply tap on Pay a Bill. Then you're gonna have to tap again on Pay a Bill and select from which of your account you want to pay them. So you can choose your checking or savings account, then the amount, and then simply select the payee. So if you can find Fido here, you're gonna have to add as a payee, then choose when do you want to pay them and choose the frequency. So this can be only once, monthly, weekly, bi-monthly, bi-weekly, and then you're gonna have to tap on done and then simply tap on pay now, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.